Hi, my name is Nicole, and I'm the Explore Program Manager here at Init. So what is Explore? Explore essentially is a workshop series for students to get hands-on experience with 4 different tracks in computer science: web dev, game dev, AI, and hardware. What makes Explore really special is that typically in our classes we get a lot of the theoretical foundations for these different tracks, but we don't get a lot of project-based experience. Through Explore, students can complete these workshops with their peers, kind of get that hands-on experience and get projects on their resumes and on their GitHubs without really having to commit to one or the other. So it kind of helps them figure out what they want to do within computer science without that fear of failing within the classroom. Before we used to do like 12 workshops every semester. This year we're up to 36, not including a new track that we added, which is cybersecurity. So that's going to be 4 more workshops that we're doing, including a capture the flag. It's been really wonderful to see people learn and grow and see people who have kind of started from the beginning. Like these are students that are in Programming 1, Programming 2, data structures, and they're still kind of finding their footing, but they're really passionate about getting started in these particular fields. And it's really inspiring to see them come in every week, take time out of their day, and just come learn. If you're an FIU student, it's really simple to get involved. We have a lot of different platforms like our Instagram and primarily our Discord. On our Discord, we have a bunch of different Explore channels that go through the different tracks, and there you'll be able to find a link to our Explore Hub. Our Explore Hub is the main page, kind of your go-to place for Explore. We have all of our videos, all of our Notion docs, and the calendar with all of our Explore events. If you're not an FIU student, I really recommend checking out our socials, like I said, Instagram, LinkedIn, and make sure that you find your way onto that Discord because that's where you'll be able to find all the resources that you need for the Explore program.